We're at TGI Fridays, so I decided to do a quick video on how I make out like super cheap at TGI Fridays. Normally I have a reservation. As a matter of fact, today I do have a reservation, but as you can see, I am waiting. Why am I waiting on a Thursday when I have a reservation? You don't ask me. But yeah, if you use the Open Table app, TGI Fridays is actually on there, and you get 100 points. You get, I think, 2,500 points. Then you are able to get a free gift card or turn it in for something else too. So, you know, I'm just working on my free gift card. So basically for like every, I think, 25 reservations, you will, okay, I'm going to turn this way because she's distracting. For like every 25 reservations or so, then you get a free gift card that you can use at a restaurant through Open Table. So yeah, so once we get seated, I'm going to start again. All right, so I am seated, and my waitress will probably be here any second now, but the way that I make out is I have the TGI Fridays app, and that app is freaking awesome because you earn points for your purchases here. So for every 100 points, which is $100, then you get a free meal, even less than that. But yeah, so there was actually a bonus incentive that was going on at one point, and what they did was they said if I come like I think 3 or 4 times in a month that they would give me like 1,300 points, which is the equivalent of like 13 meals. So I had so many meals. So I'm actually down to my last one, but also when I come, I actually purchase more stuff. So I actually accumulated more than 14. I probably ended up with like 16 meals. So today I'm going to use my last free one, and I'll also be accumulating some points. So basically what I'll be doing is just paying for my meal. So once I order, I'll show you guys what I was able to order. And I'm also going to show you my bill just to show you that it can be super cheap because it's me and my daughter. So the kids' meals are super duper cheap. So this is awesome, especially for you single parents out there. All right, so there's like a lot of options that I can do. So let me check out the menu and get back to you guys. So here's the other thing. If you are a Stripes member for TGI Fridays, you can get free chips and salsa every time you come. All right, so that won't cost anything extra, and it's a free appetizer to start with. Huh?
My pasta.
You squirted ketchup in your pasta. Oh Lord, I can't. But yeah, guys, so this is, I ordered the Cajun chicken and shrimp pasta, and this is my free meal. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this baby, and yeah, I'll show you the bill once I get it. As you can see, my bill came to $9.77. They took off the tortilla chips, and they ended up taking off the Cajun shrimp and chicken, and it comes down to $9.77. So as you can see, I got that meal for free, and I only paid for our drinks and for her meal. That was it. So also don't forget, even if you're turning in points, to make sure you have them take your Stripes number. The thing is, if you don't give them, like remind them to take down your Stripes rewards number, you won't get the points for the amount of money that you do spend. So make sure you remind them of that. Or if you don't feel like doing that, or don't trust them, which is sometimes what I do, I just actually wait till I get the receipt at the end of the night, and like after I pay for it, and then I'll just go back into the TGI Fridays app, and you can scan the receipt, or you can put the numbers in, and you'll get the credit that way. So you can get the credit in the restaurant, or you can get it even afterwards. So there you go. Yep, here you go. Oh, my card fell out. Here you go. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
So with that, you know, we saved a nice little pretty penny. I paid for less than half because, as you can see, the bill would have been about $25 and it is $9 and some change. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And I had so much pasta that, look, I only ate like half of it. So that's gonna be for lunch tomorrow. All right, so don't forget to subscribe. And also comment down below if you have any. Thank you.
Have a wonderful one, okay?
You too. Thank you. Comment down below if you have any ideas or if you need me to do a video on a particular place that you like so that you can save there. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. All right. So thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you soon. Bye.